Hello to everyone. In my series of discussion, I am making detailed discussion on stock market. In that continuation today, also my discussion on some specific stocks. Uh, Earlier, I have made a detailed discussion on basics of stock market, how this stock market operate, uh, uh, what is a primary market, what is secondary market. Primary market where we apply for shares through in the IPO. Secondary market where other market there is also a stock market with exchanges like National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, where shares are traded. We can buy at whatsoever price we like. When there is a crash in market, that day we can take benefit and buy at a bottom price. Similarly, when market is very high, we can sell at a higher price and can book profit. Apart from this, I have discussed on this different trading like intraday, swing trading, positional trading, long-term trading. Apart from that, I have discussed on this cash market, that is cash and delivery segment, then future and options, that is derivative market. Uh, what and apart from all above, I have discussed in that we should take proper knowledge of stock market, then and behave like a professional trader, as I have discussed that as a driver, if we will not learn this driving, we can't drive a car. Similarly, if we don't know swimming, we can't swim. Similarly, if we don't know this techniques of stock market, then what are the uh, things which have to take care into the proper strategies, uh, then we can't make profit, or rather we will be a donor, because stock market is a two-way game. There is one side, there is a loser, one side is gainer. 95% are losers in the stock market, and 5% who are very professional traders. They follow the strategy, they know the techniques, and they are always in winner sides. We have to put ourselves in that 5% category. So in that continuation, today I am uh, uh, giving some information regarding this dividend paying stocks, because I have already told that we should also have a quality of three qualities, that is identification of stocks, that is a second is your entry time, that is when to buy the stock, and third is exit, when to sell the stock. So in that context, I have already giving many information. Today, the topic is solely based on these dividend paying stocks, because normally we are in stock market for getting a better return. Since today in stock market, we are just coming and doing trading as because to get a better return, because in banks we have a option of only 5 to 6% rate of interest per year. But in stock market, if we may make a better selection of stock, we can earn a dividend of 10%, 12%, more than that. So, and at the same time, the stock should have that potential, that which can grow further, and can make our portfolio very strong, and appreciate also. So come to the such stocks which are highly dividend paying, at the same time they are fundamentally strong stocks. So in that context, my first share is Indian Oil Corporation. Presently it is quoting around 108.9, but and if we go through its record, it has paid dividend of around 7.50 in February this year of 2021. So it has also a good potential to grow, because petrol stocks are of very linked with this price of the stock, and uh, uh, market conditions. If any price rise in this petrol, then this stocks rise. So we should include this stock in our portfolio. Next stock is Ircon International, that is Indian Railway Construction. It is a very good stock. So I have made a special video on this stock. At that time, it was trading around 90 rupees. Today, the price of the stock is around 50, and so the price is 50 is because company has declared a bonus, and the record date was perhaps 21st of this May. Mm, so this stock has given not only this bonus, but is regularly paying dividend of around 8-9%. So this is also a good stock to include on in our portfolio. Next stock is Hindustan Petro, that is HPCL. The price of the stock is around 280. This stock has a huge potential. Presently, the dividend in the stock is around 8-9%. There is a news that company may declare a dividend of 23%. So this, if it is declared 23%, then we can say that flat 10% dividend at the market price we are getting. Now come this Coal India, that is a very monopoly stock, because the only coal business this company is alone doing in this India, and it is in the Northern Group. The present price of the stock is around 146, 147. It has also continuously giving a dividend of 8-10%. So we can include this stock in our portfolio. Next stock is Oil Limited. This is also a very potential stock. Present price of the stock is around 130, and this stock is also have a record of dividend of 8-9%, and we can include this in our portfolio. Next is IRFC, Indian Railway Finance Corporation. It's a very good stock, though the present price is less than the IPO, which was, so it is a time to buy this stock. At the same time, company has paid an interim dividend of 5% around, and again the company is going to pay, so we can say that yearly 10% return we are getting. So this stock which I have named are highly good dividend paying stock, and are fundamentally very strong shares. At the same time, these are PCO stocks. So I think the name which I am repeating once again, Indian Oil Corporation. Second one is Con International. Third one is HPCL. Fourth one is your Coal India Limited, and next is your Oil India, and lastly this one is IRFC. So these all stocks I recommend to include in our portfolio. It will give a good return. This dividend wise, with all this, I am very soon will come with some other topics in the stock market. With all these, I am making end of today's discussion. I give my sincere thanks to you all viewers. Thank you very much.